Solvit helps when EU rights are breached.
We help companies and private individuals that encounter problems with their free movement rights within EU's internal market. This can be a person that has moved to another country and is hindered from getting access to public services, such as healthcare. Or a company that wants to sell their products to another EU country, but cannot do so because a public authority imposes illegal requirements on their product. In short, a public authority that is acting in breach with EU law. If you feel that your EU rights have been breached, report your problem to Solvit. There is an entire Solvit network working closely together to analyze and solve the problems that have been reported to the network.
What happens when I have reported my problem to Solvit?
We will investigate whether your problem is something that Solvit can help you with, meaning that a national authority in another EU member state has acted in a way that hinders you from exercising your free movement rights within EU's internal market. If Solvit concludes that the national authority has acted in breach with EU law, Solvit will contact the authority responsible for the illegal decision. By doing so, an informal dialogue is initiated where Solvit explains for the authority whether they have breached EU law. And in many cases, the national authority changes their decision and the problem is solved.
What are the requirements for Solvit to be able to act?
First of all, the problem must have arisen in another country than your own. In addition, a national authority must have taken a decision or acted in a way that is in breach with EU law. But to get help from us, you may not be in legal proceedings at the same time. Once national courts have been involved in a case, Solvit can no longer act. Solvit can be seen as an alternative to court proceedings. Our help is free of charge, and it can be a quicker way to get help. Our goal is to solve problems within 10 weeks.